शराफत की किताब में मुझे खलनायक कहते हैं।
It's another unscripted chapter in Sanjay Dutt's tumultuous journey. The Supreme Court has ordered another 3.5 years in jail under the Arms Act in the 1993 blast case. His sister and parliamentarian Priya Dutt is struggling to cope with this order.
Honestly, I don't know what to say right now. I really don't know what to say.
Sanjay Dutt, who will have to surrender in 4 weeks, preferred to stay inside his Bandra residence and only spoke through his lawyers.
Sanjay Dutt, right from the inception, has always said that whatever be the judgment of the courts, he will respect them and abide by them.
While the 53-year-old actor might have accepted the judgment, his Bollywood projects will be facing the brunt of it, with over 300 crores reportedly riding on him. While his biggest project, the third installment of the Munna Bhai series, will be stalled even before it hits the floors, his other films in production include Rajkumar Hirani's PK, remake of Zanjeer, Dharma Productions' Ungli, Rajkumar Gupta's Ghan Chakkar and T.P. Agarwal's Police Giri.
I really feel quite shattered, because Sanjay is such a great guy and he's like a big brother on set.
While Dutt can now at the most seek a review petition, friends from the film industry continue to rally behind him.
I'm stunned by the verdict and I think that would be the response of my entire fraternity.
हमारे फैमिली से बहुत क्लोज रहे हैं तो मैं बहुत ही उदास हूँ.
This is very unfortunate, I can say, because Sanjay Dutt is very innocent person.
It's been a tough journey for this son of veteran actors Nargis and Sunil Dutt, who first made his Bollywood debut at the age of 22 with Rocky in 1981. In 1993, Dutt took on his first negative role in and as Khalnayak.
नायक नहीं, खलनायक हूँ मैं.
But just 3 weeks before its release, Dutt was arrested and convicted for illegal possession of arms. He then made a comeback of sorts in 1999 with Mahesh Manjrekar's gangster drama Vastav the Reality, which won him his first and only Best Actor Filmfare Award. But it was with Rajkumar Hirani's Munna Bhai MBBS in 2003 that Dutt reinvented himself. The action hero, who was then known for his gangster roles, transformed into Gandhi-loving, peace-preaching Munna. And more recently, this father of twins, who had a hush-hush marriage to Manyata in 2008, was noticed for his negative act as Kancha Cheena in the 2012 remake of Agnipath. Entertainment Bureau, CNN, IBN.